Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today we're gonna be cooking some breakfast in the Camp Chef Grill. You guys stay tuned. Let me show you how JP does his breakfast on Saturday mornings. You guys check it out. Hey guys, before we get started, I want to ask you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. If you're just a viewer, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and click on that bell. That'll get you future notifications of upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and get this cook started. So on the last video that I made a series of videos that dealt with the Weber Smoky Mountain, and I used one of my barbecue rubs. It's called the Sexy Chicken, and the Sexy Chicken, you know, even though the name says chicken on it, it's not just for chicken. You can use it on anything, and one of the things I said that you can use it on is on breakfast potatoes. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it on some breakfast potatoes, and we're gonna see how they come out like. So I got here with me two nice big potatoes. We're gonna cut these up really nice and dice them and slice them and dice them. You know, cut some of these little bad parts off of it. Put those over to the side and take a look at this potato. There we go. And cut it up into nice little cubes. You know, nothing fancy here. We're just gonna make some breakfast. And I'm not too crazy about potatoes, but you know, well, it depends what kind of potatoes. If it's like sweet potatoes, I do like sweet potatoes, but not too keen on too many types of potatoes. But I do like sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are probably one of my favorite types of potatoes. But my family loves potatoes, and they'll eat them all day long. So, you know, we're gonna get these cut up really nice little cubes. You know, that's what you want. You know, if you see some little bad spots, just cut those bad spots off. You know, you never know what kind of potatoes you're gonna get until you actually cut into them. And we're just gonna put them over on this not cutting board, this bowl. Get all them potatoes in there, and that's what they look like. Nice little diced up, cubed up potatoes. We'll sprinkle or put a little bit of olive oil on these potatoes. And that's the nice thing about these types of stainless steel bowls. You ain't got to put your hand in it. You just mix it up really good. You know, these bowls, I use them to do my chicken wings. I've done some fantastic chicken wings in these things. So here we go. Sexy chicken is what's going in. We'll pour us a little bit of it in there. And rosemary and potatoes, guys, goes really good. And you don't need a whole lot. You just need enough. You know, you just put enough for your taste that you want, and we're gonna call it good. So we'll get this mixed up. We're gonna fire up this Camp Chef Grill and get to cooking us some breakfast potatoes. All right, this skittle should be plenty hot enough. Let's go ahead and get them on there. There we go. Hear that nice sizzle. Oh my goodness, boy, you can smell that rosemary. That's some good stuff right there. We're gonna cook us up some breakfast potatoes right here. Don't wanna let that one get away. Spread them out evenly. That way they all get nice and toasty. Alright, we're gonna leave that right there for right now. We're gonna cook them up. I'm gonna push them over here to this side where the griddle's just a little bit cooler. That way they can finish up over here. And here's how we like doing breakfast in the morning. We like using sausage. Yes, sir. Turkey sausage, that is. Warm this up, cook this up a little bit. And once this is done, all that's really left to do is make some eggs. So, and we're almost there, guys. Good hearty breakfast right here. Let's go ahead and drop us a couple of eggs in there. Already got one going. There we go, boy. They looking good. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. We'll have us a nice breakfast here. We got some breakfast potatoes that we used our sexy chicken, and I did put a little bit of my J.P.A.P. It needed a little bit of salt. Got some sausage, some turkey sausage, and some sunny side up eggs, and the family started to come out because they want to eat. Change your plan, guys. The kids want their eggs over medium, so we're going to flip them over, just cook them up just a little bit. Let me show you what these eggs look like. Oh yeah. Look at that. Perfect eggs. I love it. I love it. We got potatoes, we got sausage, and we got us some eggs. This is how JP does his breakfast on Saturday morning. You guys, I tell you what, I thank you very much. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching my channel. If you get a chance, right there in the corner, there's a little subscribe button. Click that button and smash that bell. That bell will get you future notifications of upcoming videos. Also, if you haven't been to my website where I have all my products, you know, I'll put a link right here to my website. You guys go out and check it out. You know, the products that I sell there help support this channel. But besides that, again, I appreciate you guys very much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next cookout. You guys take care.